Money motivated, another money motivated Monday, or magnificent or magnanimous, as you say, Monday. Isn't that right, Corey J?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. We are fired up over here. We're going to get this thing started, Marsha. I'm telling you what, baby, they are coming in like 90 going north. They are as excited for this information as we are. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Is that okay, Marsha?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and do it.
All right. Let's do it. What they say, nothing to it but to do it, huh? Yes,
Absolutely.
yes. So listen, family, we are so honored that y'all have decided to come and spend a little time with us on this evening. It is 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And I tell you what, we've got 110 people already on this webinar. And your time will not be in vain here tonight. This presenter that's going to share this information with you is absolutely phenomenal. But we want you to know that we're very, very pleased that y'all are here. And we believe that you too will be equally as pleased. We're going to present to you some information that really and truly has the potential of changing you and your family's lives, not just for now, but for many generations to come. It's happening, family. It's already happening. Folk are experiencing this life-changing project, and we're just so grateful. And so I am going to bring up the presenter. I tell you what, this young lady right here, folk have said she has an anointing to present. Wow, that's a lot. That's a big deal, right? And I tell you what, when you hear this information coming directly from none other than Mrs. Marsha Hadley, you too will understand exactly what our team members say when they say she has an anointing to present. Well, let me just tell you a little bit about Marsha. Marsha is a loving wife. Her and her amazing husband have two beautiful daughters that I call Nisi. Just love them. Incredible, incredible family. Very giving family. Very supportive family to many, right? Marsha is also extremely successful in her professional career. And I tell you what, they cannot pay her enough for what she does. The girl is incredible. All right. She is truly incredible. Now, Marsha is also the co-founder of Team Diamond. We have a team now of over 25,000 people in this particular project. We've been together as Team Diamond now for over a decade. And I tell you what, you're talking about an incredible leader. Marsha is that. She has built teams of tens of thousands, and she is truly a leader's leader, y'all. Now, let me tell you something else about Marsha with regards to NovaTech. She is VIP Presidential Senior Director. Well, what does that mean, right? That means that she is a senior director, meaning she has $50 million in team volume. She is also a sophisticated investor here in NovaTech, investing far in excess of $100,000, y'all. So I'm going to tell you why all that's important to you is because she is passionate about what she's going to deliver to you. She knows exactly what she's talking about. So without any further ado, I am going to bring up none other than my sister, my friend, the co-founder of Team Diamond, Mrs. Marsha Hadley. Marsha, are you there?
After that introduction, I am absolutely here. Sophisticated. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. You get the award the Academy Award, as I say all the time, sis, for edification. Let me just tell you, the person you just heard from, she's the co-founder of Team Diamond as well. She is Senior Director, Presidential VIP as well. And she's paving the way for thousands and thousands of family and helping them to change lives here with NovaTech. And she's been doing it for over 10 plus years. I feel so honored to be a part of this incredible opportunity with her as well, and so many others, in changing lives as one team, one dream, one family. Thank you so much, sis, for being my sister, my friend, and being here. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have 150 folks on the line tonight. So what I want you to do is thank the individual that brought you here, because the opportunity you're going to hear tonight called NovaTech is like no other. We don't have to share this with a single soul. Y'all hear this? We don't have to share with anyone. We have the opportunity here where we can have our money work for us instead of us working for it. Don't that sound good? I mean, every time I hear that, I'm like, wow. Every time I see it, because it's reality, y'all, I cannot believe what's going on, but I give God all the glory for everything he's doing in my life and has done. And thank you, Sherelle and Corey Jean, Bad to the Bone Sampson, as I call her, for paving the way and vetting NovaTech. So here you are, we're going to talk about, this slide really says it all. It says trading profits made easy. Now let's break down made easy a little bit, okay? So what does made easy means? It means that it's simple. It means that we can chillax. It means that we can enjoy life, as you see this family over here to the right-hand side, to the fullest, because NovaTech, who's been around since June of 2019, a hedge fund company, has a fully automated cryptocurrency and Forex trading platform. Now, some of you on here may not know about cryptocurrency, may not know about Forex. You don't need to know anything of that. And what do we mean by automated? We mean that NovaTech's professional traders, y'all hear that? Professional traders, and their artificial intelligence will do all the work for you and your family. You can just sit back and enjoy life even more. And this slide is starting to be one of my favorite slides as well, you all, because it says here, making money is easy. You just have to trust the source. What's the source? NovaTech, a company of integrity, a company that's been here since June of 2019, a company that everything that they said they were going to do, they've done it, a company where you don't need any experience. You have access to your capital at any time, no expiration dates, no earning caps. Look, we get paid every single week. And we call it, y'all see that money dropping down here, Corey? I love this slide. Okay, dropping down here every single week, you guys. We're going to get into it. Before we get into all of the greatness, I just want to reach out to some folks tonight. How many of you, we're going to shift gears here a little bit. How many of you was taught, like I was taught, I was raised how to go to school and get good grades and get a good job. Now, I wasn't taught how to generate wealth, let alone generational wealth. See, I always say knowledge is power, ladies and gentlemen, but when you apply and execute it, what good is knowing that there's something great out there, but we don't do anything about it? But tonight we're going to be about it, right? And we're going to hear from an incredible presenter later as well. But what I want you to do is open up your mind like a parachute to receive the information. I'm going to educate you just a little bit tonight. Now, we're not financial advisors. We're not providing any financial advice. We're just going to show you some examples here and how NovaTech works, right? So the compound calculator I'm going to share with you is not endorsed by NovaTech. It's not part of NovaTech. Past performance, ladies and gentlemen, is not indicative of future results and should not be construed in any way as any guaranteed return on investment. We're merely going to show you the possibilities and how NovaTech works just from a simple educational perspective. All right, so I am on a website called thecalculatorsite.com. If you want to go on your own or your leisure, you can do so. That is THE, calculatorsite.com. Now, when you go there, ladies and gentlemen, you want to click on finance and then click on Forex compounding. Now, it matters which calculator we're on. NovaTech is not a bank, you guys. Do not click on compound interest. We earn no interest here, no compound interest, okay? So NovaTech and their professional traders, here's what they do. They trade every single day, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. They do cryptocurrency trading, and then they do Forex trading which is 5 days a week. Now they're going to do it for you and your family. You don't need to have any experience or no knowledge at all. They also are a MetaTrader-fied broker operating their own trading platform with one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. They have experts, traders all over the globe to help you and your family. And I'm going to give you some past performance. So past performance, ladies and gentlemen, is not indicative of future results, but here are the results since NovaTech has been in existence since June of 2019. So they trade every day. We earn once a week on Fridays. We love to have fun. We call it Friday, y'all. It's like, yay, it's Friday. We just got paid, okay? So we earned since, we've been in existence since June of 2019, anywhere from 2 to 4% a week, plus or minus, give or take, okay? So has it been a little more than 4% a week? It has. Has it been a little less, right, than 2% or less than 2%? It has. It's a range. Any real trading, you're not going to know what the percentages are. There are never going to be any fixed percentages here in any real trading. So NovaTech's going to take their profits, they're going to take their losses, and then they net them out. And then if there is a profit, okay, fortunately it has been since June of 2019, but there are no guarantees, ladies and gentlemen. If there is a profit, then we'll get paid that on Friday or Friday. And so we can start with NovaTech. They wanted to make sure it was affordable no matter where you are around the world. We have folks on our call, they may be on here now. Folks on our call last night, they was from Nigeria, Jamaica, and all over the world. So who do you know around the globe? So we can start as low as $99. Now our team, Team Diamond, we don't recommend starting at $99. I'll cover that later. And let's say, for example, you started your account for $1,000 one time out of pocket. And last year, again, past performance is not indicative of future results, but the results are the results. Last year, we earned a little above 3% a week. So I'm just going to say, what if we earned 3% a week? And we're going to change monthly to weekly, okay? And then every time we earn every single week on Friday or Friday, right? We decide what we want to do with our profits. NovaTech says, hey, those are your profits for you and your family. You discern or you decide exactly what you want to do with it. 3 things we can do with our profits every single week. Number 1, we can take our profits and we can withdraw them, ladies and gentlemen, put it into our pocket and receive them within 24 to 48 hours. Isn't that awesome? We don't have to wait a week. We don't have to wait a month. I mean, that's super fantastic. Okay. So number 2, we can take our profits. Y'all want to listen to this part. We can take our profits, add it to our trading account balance, and have our profits make more profits. That's our money making money. Hello, somebody, right? And then number 3, we can do absolutely nothing. Let it sit pretty, as I say, in our back office, like our savings account. When you log into your savings account, or when I log into mine, that number is still the same, it's not changing, but doesn't it look pretty? But now I'm changing, I'm shifting gears, y'all. I need to put my money to work. So we're going to say you put your money to work for you for 5 years. You redeposit your profits for 5 years, which is super simple. It takes about 45 seconds or less to do on Friday, okay? Or if you forget on Friday, you can do it whatever day you want to do it. And the company's coming out with an automated feature you can turn on and off where they'll automatically redeposit your profits or reinvest them. So $1,000, 3%, potential here, 5 years, compounding. We don't call it compounding, you all. We call it redeposit your profits. You can do that every single week. We can add additional funds and deposits at any time, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. But we're going to say you just start off with $1,000. Let's hit calculate. Now, for those of you that are seeing my screen, you're probably saying, okay, what you talking about, Willis, right? You're probably like, look, I need to get my glasses on, or maybe you have your glasses on and got a little misty there for a minute, or maybe you're like, okay, wait a second, let me explain it to you. We're going to get on a serious tip here for a minute, okay? So you started off with $1,000 out of pocket. I want to make it so plain and super simple for you. $1,000 out of pocket. You didn't do any work. NovaTech and their professional traders did all of the work for you. You didn't need to know about cryptocurrency, Forex, or nothing. All you did was once a week was redeposit your profits, which takes how long, ladies and gentlemen? About 45 seconds or less to do. And the company's coming out with an automated feature, so you don't even need to do that in the future. And after 5 years or 60 months, you're looking at a potential of $2,175,000. Wow. So we're going to talk about the gift that keeps on giving. How many of you, by show of hands, because Lotto, I think it was what, over $1 billion, spent money on trying to, and the hope to try to win the Lotto or the lottery, right? And a lot of folks missed out. I think it was only one winner in the state of Illinois. And that person, they'd probably be set for life, right? Because they're winning so much. We're going to talk about how this $1,000 that you started off with and a potential of $2,175,000, it's not really $2,175K, y'all. We're going to talk about the gift that keeps on giving, the potential to come in every single month after month. So down here under projection breakdown, let me tell you what this is saying here for you all. It's saying that here's the yearly breakdown. In the blue, you started off with $1,000. Anything you see here in the blue, ladies and gentlemen, this will be considered your trading account with NovaTech. You have 100% access to your capital. Y'all hear that? Whatever amount you deposit in NovaTech, be it 100 to whatever amount you want to deposit, there's no limits on the deposits. You have 100% access to, you can withdraw it at any time. All NovaTech asks is to please allow 7 to 14 business days if you withdraw from your trading account only, because this is your money, making money every day. We just get paid when? On Friday or Friday. So after year one of redepositing your profits, you're looking at a potential about $3,600. After year two, almost $21,000. After year three, you're looking at almost 6 figures, $99,600 and some change. And a lot of people in the professional arena, they want what? They want to reach 100K a year. Well, here you go. After 3 years, there you go. And then after year 4, you're looking at a potential of almost $500,000, 466,000 and some change. And how much did you start off with, ladies and gentlemen? A one-time $1,000 out of pocket, right? And then after 5 years, you're looking at a potential of $2,175,000. What we're going to do is we're going to show you the projection breakdown monthly. How many of you, by show of hands, have those residual bills coming in and you want to have some residual relief to offset that? Look, my hands are raised, right? You want to have this residual profits coming in over and over again. So under projection breakdown, all you have to do is click on monthly, okay? So what it's showing you here in the first column is showing you the months. The columns here, the second column with earnings, this would be considered your potential profits with NovaTech. And it shows a monthly breakdown, but remember, we earn every single week, right? So if you want to know what your potential profits would be on a weekly basis, just divide this number by 4. Anything in this column, in the earnings column, ladies and gentlemen, when we withdraw from NovaTech to put it into our pocket, we'll receive this within 24 to 48 hours. Because every time we earn every week, it goes into a separate account called a bonus account. And then your trading account balance will be here in the blue. Anything you see here, you see how this number is changing exponentially. You have 100% access to your trading account balance. These are your funds as well. Here's what the wealthy will do. They'll deposit and leave whatever's here in blue in their trading account working for them, but they'll live off the profits in the earnings column. So let's break down a few months, okay? So let's say after redepositing your profits for 1 month, remember NovaTech did all the work. All you did was spend 45 seconds or less a week, or you put the automated feature on when it comes available. You're looking at a potential of $136 coming in month after month after month, over and over and over again. Notice I didn't say an end date. Here's why. Whatever you have here in your trading account here in blue, ladies and gentlemen, NovaTech will continue to trade for you and your family for life. This is your money now, making money. We call it get paid while you're sleeping. Don't that sound good? All right, so the $136 a month potential will probably cover what your cell phone bill, but let's say you decided to redeposit your profits for a total of 12 months. So after 12 months, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a potential of $559 coming in every single month, you guys. You know, they say that if the average household just received an additional $500 a month, that'll keep them from filing for bankruptcy. So let's see what your trading account balance grew. It grew to almost 5,000. You started out with 1,000 out of pocket. NovaTech did all of the work. Now you're about 5,000 in your trading account balance here in the blue. Remember, these are your funds as well. Let's say $559 a month. It may cover your car note, but you wanted to keep on going because that's not your number. I want you to think about for yourself, ladies and gentlemen, what is your magic number? What is your number to be stress-free, to be debt-free, to be financially free? I always say free, free, free. So think about that as I go through. So let's say you redeposit your profits for another 12 months. So after 24 months of redepositing your profits, you're looking at a potential of $2,600 coming in every single month, you guys. When I talked to my girlfriend and she saw that, she said, you know what, sis? This will help me to pay for my rent. She wants to buy a home, so it'll go towards her mortgage. And if I look here, if you look at your trading account balance, your potential here in the blue is $21,600. What if you decided, ladies and gentlemen, you want to pull out $10,000 because you just want to pull it out? We don't have to provide NovaTech with a reason. There are no withdrawal limits with NovaTech. You want to pull out 10K, 100K, million, it doesn't matter. It's your choice. So let's say you withdrew 10,000 from your trading account balance here in the blue. That's going to leave you with what, 11,600 working for you. So if we look at month 19, your trading account balance is close, right? It's 11,400. So you still would be earning a potential of $1,400 coming in every single month after you withdrew the 10,000. Some of you probably like, say what? That's the same thing I said, say what? Man, and I've been here, it's coming up to a year in terms of really getting into NovaTech, okay? So then let's go ahead and go for 36 months. You say, you know what? You want to go ahead and go for 36 months. On a one-time $1,000 out of pocket. You didn't have to do any trading, know anything about cryptocurrency. NovaTech and the professionals did the work for you. You're looking now at a potential of a little over $12,000 every single month, y'all. Let's say you decided this is your number. In addition to everything else that's coming into your home, and you say, you know what? I don't want to redeposit my profits anymore. I'm going to start putting everything in my pocket. If you divide this number by 4, you're looking at a potential of what? $3,000 coming in on a weekly basis, week after week after week, over and over and over again. If you can use an extra $3,000 a week, if you want to raise your hand, go ahead and raise your hand. All right, I got my hands, my toes, and everything else raised, y'all. But let's look at your potential and your trading account balance. And you're looking now at a potential of 100K in your trading account balance. What if you decided, ladies and gentlemen, you wanted to withdraw $50,000 to put a down payment on your home? Or maybe you want to take out $50K to pay for a car, because isn't cars now expensive? They almost double the price. Whatever it is that you want to do, we don't have to provide NovaTech with a reason. It's not like a 401k where you got to borrow against your money and come up with all these excuses as to why, and they only limit you to so many loans at a time. These are your funds. You don't borrow against your funds. Just withdraw it if you need to withdraw it 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, anything in your trading account balance in the blue. So that's going to leave you with $50,000 working for you in your trading account. You still would be earning what, a potential of $6,000 coming in every single month. So let's say you decide to go for 48 months. Now you're speaking my language, okay? Here's your potential. $56,000 and some change coming in every single month after month after month. I'm going to stop here for a minute because some of you on this line is hearing this for the first time, probably saying, okay, oh, this has to be too good to be true. So I recall Corey J. Bad to the Bone, the co-founder of our team, saying, you know, it is good and it's true. It's both, you guys. Folks in our team, they have deposited $100 all the way to $500,000. And the individual that put in $500,000, I recall that they had earned over $20,000 for the week. Is this that person's reality? Absolutely. We're not saying any guarantees of anything, but if you look at the trading account balance, that's close to the $500,000, $467,000 or $68,000 in your trading account. And it's just incredible and amazing, y'all. Okay, let's go ahead and go for 60 months. After 60 months of redepositing your profits, you're looking at a potential of $261,000 and some change. We're talking about the gift that keeps on giving. What did you start off with, ladies and gentlemen? A one-time $1,000 out of pocket that we spent stuff on 5 years ago anyway. How many of you, by the show of hands, is like me in terms of I still have stuff in my closet with tags and clothes and shoes and so on and so forth. But did I have satisfaction for that moment? I was excited about something new and it was cute and all this other stuff. But what is it doing for my family? See, I have a shift in my mindset. It's about shifting and creating that trajectory and really changing. This is something that's a serious thing here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we love to have fun and all of that, but it's about your family's destination. See, you're in the driver's seat of where you want to go for yourself and your family. Where do you want to take your family to? What road did you want to go down? I'm going down NovaTech Lane. Anybody want to go down NovaTech Lane with me? Go ahead and raise your hand. Here we go. Your trading account balance in the blue is now a potential of $2,176,000. Remember, you have access to your funds in your trading account. What if you decided, ladies and gentlemen, you want to withdraw $1 million? Remember, there's no withdrawal limits with NovaTech, okay? So withdraw it. No reason. We don't have to provide a reason or nothing. You have access to your funds 100% of the time at all times. So you withdrew $1 million. Now that leaves you in your trading account in the blue, what, $1,176,000. If you look at month 55, your trading balance is close, right? It's $1,147,000. Do you know you still will be earning a potential of $140,000 every single month? I might as well just drop the mic and we might as well just sign up everybody right now, Corey J, because I'm done. Come on. We didn't have to do no work. We didn't have to refer a single soul. This is really all about you putting your money to work for you instead of you working for it. So now I'm gonna show you one other example, you guys, and we'll let you guys get going so you can get started. But let's say you started off with, we're gonna be even more conservative with $500, okay? And then we're gonna hit calculate. It's simple math, you guys. So it's gonna be half of whatever the initial $1,000 amount you deposited before. So on a one-time $500 out of pocket, after 5 years of redepositing your profits, which takes how long? Only 45 seconds or less to do, right? Once a week. And NovaTech's coming out with an automated feature, so you don't even need to do that. You're looking at a potential of $1,088,000 rounded. Now, a lot of folks ask us, well, can I add more funds? I want to add more funds. Yes, you can, ladies and gentlemen. You can deposit more funds 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We actually earn every day. So we just get paid once a week on Friday or Friday because NovaTech has to net out their profits and losses. So when you add your deposit every day before the cutoff time, you actually start trading the same day, which is fantastic. So the cutoff time is about 11 p.m. Eastern time each day. So some folks deposit their funds on a Thursday before the cutoff, and they actually receive 1 day's trading the next day on Friday or Friday. So we're going to say, what if you added just $100 additional a month? You put in your own number. We like to be conservative here. You decide what you want to do with your own estimation here. So you started off with $500 one time out of pocket. You just added $100 a month. NovaTech and their professional traders all over the world did the work for you. Let's hit calculate. Instead of it being a potential of $1,088,000, now you're looking at a potential of $2,673,000. And you started off with how much initially? $500 out of pocket. And you just added $100 a month. And we waste $100 a month on stuff anyway. So let's break down monthly, okay? So we're going to click here on monthly again. So after month one of redepositing your profits, you're looking at a potential of $68 every single month. And then after 12 months, your potential is almost $600, right? $588. Your trading account balance grew to almost $5,000, right, ladies and gentlemen? And then let's go to 24 months of redepositing your profits. Wow. Okay, you're looking at a potential of $3,100 coming in every single month, y'all. How much did you start off with? $500, one time out of pocket initially, and you just added $100 a month. Now your trading account balance in the blue grew to over 25,000. Here's what NovaTech says. NovaTech says, now you're VIP. As a thank you for reaching 25,000 or more and maintaining this balance, okay, for 30 calendar days or for one full calendar month, we're going to reward you with 1% cash back on whatever we earn you in trading profits every single month. Look at your potential here. You're looking at $3,100 a month. They're going to reward you with 1% of that amount every month. You don't have to do any work, any trading. You don't have to share this with anyone. You didn't sign up, Sally, Sue, Mark, John. This is just you, your money going to work for you instead of you working for it. So let's go ahead and go to 36 months. Now you're looking at a potential of about 15,000 a month, 14,700 and some change. And you start off with $500 and you just added $100 a month. Now your trading account balance grew to over 123K. Now NovaTech says, because your monthly trading account balance now is 100K or more, we're going to reward you and your family with even more. Instead of us rewarding you with 1% cash back every single month, now it's going to be 2.5% cash back on the profits that NovaTech earn you and your family every single month, over and over and over again. So if you look at this 15K here and your trading profits, that's an additional 2.5% of this amount every single month, y'all. I'm like, look, sign me up. Where has NovaTech been all of our lives? So I'm gonna stop here because y'all not gonna be able to sleep. Some of y'all like, look, can I just sign up? I'm with y'all. So after 48 months of redepositing your profits, let's get serious here because I want to call this out. You started off with $500 out of pocket. You just added $100 extra a month that we spend anyway. NovaTech did all the work. The professional traders did everything for you. You're looking at a potential of $69,000 coming in on a monthly basis. Plus you're receiving 2.5% cash back. Now your trade every single month, okay? Now your trading account balance grew to over 575,000. Remember, you have access to these funds. This is your funds as well. If you want to withdraw from your trading account balance, you can do so at any time. What if you decided to take out 100,000, ladies and gentlemen? Because now wherever you live, you want to pay cash for your home because in California, it's still expensive. That's not going to cover it. But somewhere in the world, there is 100K that you can spend cash on a home. Or maybe you want to pay for your kids' college tuition. Maybe you want to give back to your church or your community. Whatever it is, you don't have to provide NovaTech with a reason. You can simply just withdraw it at any time, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So we're going to talk about, well, who is NovaTech? Where has NovaTech been all of our lives? So NovaTech, ladies and gentlemen, is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC. And they boast some of the industry's top leading professionals all over the globe. Here are some of their products and services. They do Bitcoin mining, they do crypto and Forex trading, where you don't need to know how to trade, you don't need to know about cryptocurrency or anything like that. And also, NovaTech is a MetaTradeify broker. So anyone that do know how to trade, you can trade on their platform. They have one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry, okay? And then outside of NovaTech, the founders of NovaTech, they own Bitcoin ATMs throughout the state of Florida, and they do crypto and debit card transactions as well. But who put this amazing company together? This power couple here, as well as our CTO. This is Eddie and Cynthia Pettion, the COO and CEO of NovaTech. You're talking about humility, check the box. You're talking about affordability, check the box. Where can you go to invest in a hedge fund, you all, for just 99 bucks? It's unheard of. Typically it's $100,000 or even millions to start. And some folks won't even let you in. NovaTech wants to change the game and eradicate poverty all over the world. They're on a movement, they're on a mission, and they are doing the doggone thing and have been since June of 2019. And we just appreciate their transparency, their integrity as well. They have over 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrencies, crypto and Forex trading, professional networking, leadership and team building, software and project management, and the list goes on and on, you guys. You're talking about real people, real profits, real results with a real company. And I always say for real. All right, we're going to hear a message from our incredible CEO. She's going to talk for a few minutes and she's going to talk about the vision of NovaTech. And then after that, I'll do a little synopsis for you and we'll let you guys go in a minute. We're going to hear from Mr. Amazing, is going to tear it up. So you don't want to miss that part either. But let's hear from our incredible CEO, Mrs. Reverend Cynthia Petion.
Hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia Petion. I am the CEO and one of the founders here at NovaTech. And I'd like to first say thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn more about our business plans. And a very special thank you to whoever introduced you to this opportunity, as well as to our leaders around the world who are taking time out of their day every day to share this opportunity with communities like mine and yours so that we can spread the good vision of NovaTech. Now, I'd like to ask you one simple question before we get started. Have you ever heard this before? I will never do another online business ever again. Well, if you have, you're not alone. We've heard it many times ourselves and we understand how you feel. And perhaps maybe you were the one who said it yourself. Well, we hope we can change that. And we'd like to offer you maybe a little glimmer of hope or a better opportunity that you couldn't find before. And it's the reason why my partners and I got together back in June of 2019 to build NovaTech. We are a registered broker with MetaTrader offering a Forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. Currently, we offer a couple of different styles of accounts, including a PAM account, which is our pool asset management account. And this allows passive investors or those who don't necessarily know how to trade the ability to invest in one of our master accounts and allow NovaTech to trade on your behalf. Now, we also have our MT5 accounts, and this is for people who want to be able to trade on their own. And you can trade whether you are a skilled trader or a novice trader, or open up a demo account just to test it out first. But you can go ahead and trade on our platform with very low commissions and spreads and be able to earn income on your own without any intervention from us. And recently, we offered a very exciting program, which is to help you get paid as you trade. And this program was introduced as a pilot program for people who want to trade professionally with a reputable and reliable trading platform. And it offers you a 30-day testing period with NovaTech, where you can actually test your own trading skills and possibly get paid to trade. Finally, we have something that we can call our own, something that we're extremely proud of. We've built a program and a strong foundation that is not only sustainable, but profitable. So guys, this ends my time here with you. I hope to be able to see more of you. And if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We have our help desk support available at contact@novatechfx.io, and hope to see you soon.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Every time I see that video, I get excited. There's something that flashes in the video. It says invest in your future, which is exactly what we need to do and continue to do. So here's a recap. NovaTech was established in June of 2019. They are a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund company. And their goal, you guys, is to provide customers with affordable financial solutions. As I stated a moment ago, to start a hedge fund and invest in one is unheard of for $99, but NovaTech wanted to make sure they had an impact on the world, no matter where you are. They trade cryptocurrency and Forex online for you. You don't need to know how to trade. You don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency. And they utilize some of the most sophisticated and latest technologies available. So I want to talk to those folks that are new. Maybe you heard on news about cryptocurrency, or maybe you just, you didn't quite know about things. And what I love about NovaTech is that they're going to do all the work for us, but I'm going to give you some hint and some clues. See, it's a digital world right now. It's going to be more prevalent here in the future. So NovaTech doesn't want you to miss out, and the person that invited you don't want you to miss out at all. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Anybody, by show of hands, like NFL, love sports? You probably know who this gentleman is, Odell Beckham Jr. I'm sure you heard of him. He and his team, LA Rams, won the Super Bowl this year. And let me tell you what he said. He said, look, NFL, look at here. I no longer want to receive my multiple millions of dollars that I earned through the NFL. Don't pay me in USD anymore. Pay me 100% in Bitcoin. And then last year, you guys, he went a step further and he partnered with Cash App. I know y'all know who Cash App is, especially in the US, right? So he partnered with Cash App and they gave away $1 million worth of Bitcoin. How do I know this? Well, one of my brothers from another mother told me about it after he got his share. But I missed out on it, y'all. But I got my NovaTech, so I'm not worried about it. And then the state of Louisiana, anyone from Louisiana, they are now, or their financial institutions, their banks are now going to start housing cryptocurrency on behalf of their customers, which is those individuals that live in Louisiana. All right. And then anybody like lavish cars, anybody like Porsche? Well, there's some dealership somewhere, y'all. They said, look, whatever vehicle we have on our car lot, you can pay in cryptocurrency. You can pay us in Bitcoin. You can pay us in Shiba Inu. You can pay us in Dogecoin. So we're saying these things to you so that way, for those of you that may not be familiar with cryptocurrency, 3 years ago, I didn't know how to buy or do anything. Don't let that stop you because of it. Bitcoin itself, you guys, is the #1 producing asset in history. It's outperformed gold. It outperforms silver. It outperforms real estate. It outperforms. So let's outperform where we are in our family today so it could be even brighter tomorrow. Are we in the right place at the right time? Absolutely. There's been several millionaires made just in cryptocurrency alone. And then just to reiterate, NovaTech is a registered MetaTrader broker operating its own trading platform, one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. They're not going to a third party, you guys. They are the party. Does NovaTech have it going on? Absolutely. But those of you that want to do your own trading, you can earn your own profits. You can look at the graphs. You can look at pips. The only pips I want to look at and enjoy is Gladys Knight and the pips, and don't they have it going on? And so does NovaTech. All right, as we're moving on, what are PAM accounts? Those of you that want to enjoy life even more, like the family in the beginning, where you want to sit back and chillax and get paid while you're sleeping and let the professionals do the work for you, then that's what PAM accounts come into play. So what does PAM stands for? It's just an industry standard, you guys. So here's what it is. It's Percentage Allocation Management Module. All those fancy words means this. It's real simple. It's a form of pooled funds inside a cryptocurrency and Forex trading account, almost like a mutual fund, okay? So inside of this account, it's managed for you by qualified and successful traders. I'm going to repeat that again. Inside of the PAM account, it's managed for who? For you and your family. By whom? By qualified and successful traders. You can simply just invest and chillax, as I say, without the need or knowledge or experience of cryptocurrency or Forex, okay? And then at the end of a specific trading period, in our case, is every Friday or Friday, whenever there's profits, then profits will be equally distributed. So here's what's going to happen every Friday or Friday. NovaTech's going to take their percentage off top. The remaining percentage is paid to you and I, the members. What's going to determine how much you're going to earn every Friday is your trading account balance. But I love NovaTech's risk management strategies. This is super important to hear this part. So NovaTech is not trading all of the funds that they manage in the PAM account. They're not saying, hey, let's trade everything and see what sticks. No, they're being good stewards of the assets that they manage. And here's what they do every single day. So on a daily basis, you guys, they only take a portion of the PAM account out, okay? And then they tell their professional traders to trade until you reach a certain level and then stop. They're not going for greed. They want to be conservative. They want to be consistent. They want to be scalable and sustainable for the future. So I love that about them, all right, which is super fantastic. And then this slide is saying, you all, for those of you that do want to do your own trading, you can test your skills. It's a free demo account available on Windows, Apple, and Android devices. And full transparency, we can track our progress. All of our results are posted in the back office every single week. And then past performance. Now, past performance is not indicative of future results, but the results are the results. Last year, you guys, we had a 12-monthly average of 14.825%. Every time I'm like, what? 14.825% monthly. How much are the banks giving you? Think about that, or giving us, okay? And then the last 4 weeks. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but here are the results. July 29, while we were sleeping, literally, we didn't need to know anything about cryptocurrency, Forex, nothing. NovaTech did all the work. We earned 3.36% for the week. July 22nd, 3.19% for the week. July 15th, 3.3% for the week. July 8th, 3.27% for the week. And the week prior to that, it was 4.03%. And I think I was in a state of shock, just staring into space and just thanking God for this incredible opportunity. Why is NovaTech different, you guys? Wow, we'll be here all night with all the accolades that I can give NovaTech. But I'm going to cover these 4 points for you all. There's no expiration dates. There's no earning caps. We can trade as long as we want. There's no repurchase requirements. We can cancel anytime. I have to touch on the canceling because I don't quite understand. I said, wait a second, Corey J. I said, Corey J, let me make sure I understand this clearly. We're not doing any work, right? NovaTech's doing all of the work. Whatever NovaTech earns us in trading profits, right? Since NovaTech has been in existence, we've always had a net profit. But again, past performance not indicative of future results. So who would want to cancel? We can cancel anytime. You have free reign to cancel. Point number 2 is huge, ladies and gentlemen. 100% of your hard-earned funds, no matter what it is, right? Be it $100. Some folks have deposited all the way to $500,000 at one time. I think part of our senior success line, someone put in $750K at one time. But whatever that amount is that you deposit in NovaTech, you have 100% access to your capital. You can withdraw your capital at any time or anything from your trading balance at any time, you guys. You don't have to provide a reason. All NovaTech asks is please allow 7 to 14 business days to receive your withdrawal because your trading account is live and active every day. So they're leveraging those funds to do what? To help you and your family to earn profits. So they need some time to process it if you withdraw from your trading account balance, okay? All right, so they're also in your first 90 days of enrolling, there will be a small 15% processing fee if you withdraw from your trading account balance only. Remember, they're leveraging these funds to help you and your family to earn profits, right? So that's only your first 90 days. NovaTech isn't looking for a person to come in, stick their toe in, and next day they're out. It takes work to get the account set up, okay? So from your trading account only. Your profits that we earn every single week on Friday or Friday, because y'all gonna be saying Friday when Friday come, y'all. I'll tell you, I promise you, you will. No matter if you don't want to say it or not. But your profits go into a separate account called a bonus account. They don't charge a 15% processing fee at all for your profits. So here's what you can do with your profits every single week. Number 1, you can withdraw your profits, put it into your pocket, receive it within when? Within 24 to 48 hours. Or, ladies and gentlemen, you can take your profits, add it to your trading account balance, and have your profits make more profits. Or you can let it sit purdy in the back office, not do anything. It's your choice. There's no withdrawal limits. So whatever you want to withdraw, withdraw it. You want to withdraw 1,000, 10,000, a million, whatever that is, 10 million, withdraw that number. There are no earning caps. Y'all hear that? No earning caps, no limits. Haven't we been limited enough with folks and companies saying, oh, you can earn this amount and that's it. And you got to jump through hoops to get even more and all the other stuff. Here with NovaTech, no earning caps at all. 100% or whatever it is that you deposited or whenever you add it to your trading account or whatever's in your trading account, depending on when it was added, ladies and gentlemen. And when we have a profit, okay, there's no guarantees of profits. Whatever that is, you will be able to earn against that amount, depending on the day and time you added your funds and when we have a profit. It's just super fantastic. There's some companies out there, nothing wrong with them, but they say you earn into your account doubles or triples, nothing wrong with them. Again, NovaTech doesn't want to limit you. So whatever your financial desires are, go for that number that you want and you need for your family. It's an amazing company, you guys, a crypto hedge fund registered in the US. It's a global opportunity. Who do you know around the world? And then here's this bullet point. There's no recruiting required. I'm gonna repeat that again. We don't have to refer a single soul in order to earn. Everything I've been talking about is the passive side. You don't have to share this with Sally, Sue, anybody. But the reason why we're here tonight on this line, or you're here tonight on this line, is because the person that invited you thought enough of you and wanted to bless you and your family. So that's why you're here tonight. And it's just incredible. So how do you fund your account? We're almost wrapping it up. You fund it with cryptocurrency. It's a cryptocurrency hedge fund. And there's 4 different cryptocurrencies you can fund it with. Those of you that may not be familiar with how to buy cryptocurrency or anything, don't worry. 3 years ago, I didn't know. The person that invited you will be able to help you, and we'll be here as a team to set you up for success. So you can fund it with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or USDT ERC20, which is called Tether, okay? So the trading packages on my screen range from Builder, which is $99, all the way to Platinum, $24,999. So here's what NovaTech says. Whenever we have a monthly trading balance is less than $25,000, there will be a small $25 monthly fee. You're talking about what, less than $1 a day, you guys. I would actually pay them more than that to do all the work they're doing so I can get paid while I'm sleeping, looking at that potential on the calculator. But NovaTech wanted to make sure it was affordable. So here's what they're gonna do. They don't want us paying this $25 out of pocket. They're gonna allow us to earn every 30 days first, and then they'll deduct the small $24 fee from our trading account. They really thought of everything. So here's the reason why Team Diamond does not recommend starting with $99. It's because of this small $24 monthly admin fee. It's gonna eat away. If you need to start there, ladies and gentlemen, then start. You can always add funds at any time. The lowest amount that we recommend at Team Diamond is $250. Really, ideally, if you can do 500 or more, that's you on you. But if you had to start here with Builder, then start here, because Builder means you can build upon it, and you can always add funds 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Service is not available as we're wrapping it up in the 5 following states: Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, and Alaska. If you know anyone in these states, get back to the person that invited you, find out more information. All right, any VIPs on the line besides everybody on this line being VIP? Any VIPs in NovaTech, if you want to raise your hand, you can. What does VIP means? It means that your monthly trading account balance is $25,000 to $99,999. Now, it doesn't mean, ladies and gentlemen, you have to start off with $25,000 deposit right out the gate. No, once your monthly account balance grows to $25,000 to $99,999, now you're VIP, and the company's going to reward you with these additional benefits. Number 1, that small $25 monthly fee is waived. It's out of here, okay? And then number 2, you'll receive 1% monthly cash back on whatever NovaTech earns you in trading profits every single month. Say what? That's exactly what I said to Corey J. I said, Corey J, let me just make sure I get this clear, because there's so many good things here, right? It gets gooder and gooder, all right? So here it is. I said, Corey J, let me make sure I understand this. Again, we're not doing any work. NovaTech's doing everything. And whatever NovaTech earns us in trading profits every month, so if they earn us $100 or $1,000 or $10,000, whatever that number is, we're gonna receive 1% cash back on that amount every single month. I said, okay, sign me up all over again, but we can only have one account, ladies and gentlemen, either as an individual or a business, but not both. And your business, you need to be at least 51% ownership of the business, all right? Okay, all right, wanted to call that part out. Any President's Club VIP while I'm wrapping up here? If you wanna raise your hand, you can. What does that mean? It means that you have 100K or more doing a doggone thing for you within NovaTech. It doesn't mean, ladies and gentlemen, that you have to start off and deposit 100K right out the gate, although some folks in our team have, okay? What it means is once your monthly trading account balance grows, that's what mine did, and it reaches 100K or more, now your President's Club VIP, here are your perks and benefits. Instead of it being 1% cash back every single month, it's now 2.5% cash back on whatever the profits NovaTech earns you and your family every single month. So if it's 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever that number is, you're going to receive 2.5% cash back every single month. And then they're going to reward you with a one-time $1,000 bonus. And then, of course, that small $24 monthly fee is waived. I'm going to touch on this $1,000 for some of you saying, wait a second. If I got my monthly trading account balance to 100K, or if I deposit 100K or more, they're only going to pay me a one-time $1,000 bonus. put into the calculator, see the potential. We talked about this $1,000 being what? The gift that keeps on giving. So we're looking at a trading account balance just from this $1,000, a potential of $2,175,000. Your potential coming in every single month is $261,000 a month. Will I take this $1,000 bonus? Yes, indeed. Will I be happy about it and glad about it? Yes, I will. It is just all good in the neighborhood. All right, we have dedicated support portal here. My time is almost up, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure presenting, but stick around here. We have dedicated support. You can reach out to support through the portal as well. I just covered the business opportunity in regards to the passive side. I just shared how you can set it and forget it, or have your money work for you, or get paid while you're sleeping. NovaTech is a trading platform first, but they have an optional affiliate side, ladies and gentlemen. So you don't have to share this with anyone. You can simply just be passive. But then there's another side where you and your family can take your earnings to the next level. Y'all can stick around for this if you want to stick around. If you don't want to hear this portion, it's okay. But I tell you, this gentleman is going to lay it out and break it down so simple, where you and your family have 7 additional ways to get paid. It is my pleasure and honor to bring up this gentleman who's a wealth coach. He's a family man. He has a beautiful wife and 6 beautiful children. He takes the time to do homework and teach his son and kids how to ride bikes. And he's here as part of our Team Diamond NovaTech family, paving the way and helping the entire team. Corey J and I appreciate everything that he does. He's built teams of tens of thousands. It is my pleasure and honor to bring up my brother from another mother. I call him Mr. Amazing, Senior Director, Presidential Club, VIP. Are you there, Mr. Dab Dunbar? I know he's here, ladies and gentlemen. Can you unmute yourself, brother? All right, all right, all right. As soon as he's able to unmute himself, that'll be great. I'm going to keep it moving for sake of time here. He is a co-host, so step in, brother, at any time as I go through, all right?
I am. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. You
Awesome.
have the floor, sir.
Thank you so much. It was technical difficulties, so I am here now. Welcome, everybody. As you heard that phenomenal presentation, I simply want to just share with you guys the 7 ways that you can truly earn in this platform. Let me go ahead and turn on my camera so that way you can match a voice with the face, guys. There's a big reason why people are able to elevate their profits and take it to another level. And it's simply because you literally get to share this and benefit from all of the profits that NovaTech is going to earn the people that you share this with. So the first way that you earn is direct referral bonuses. And that's really simple. Every time you share this opportunity and NovaTech earns them an ROI, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get something for that. All right. Indirect referral bonuses. All right, guys, when they share it with people, guess what's going to happen? You're going to still earn from it, even though you're not the personally sponsored member. How awesome is that? Fast track bonuses. In your first 45 days, ladies and gentlemen, NovaTech says, do A, B, C, and we will literally throw a quick fast track bonus your way. I'll explain what that looks like in a second. Number 4, check matching. Guys, this is what has taken my income in just 10 months to over 6 figures a month, ladies and gentlemen. It is the check match. Once I get to that slide, guys, I promise you, every last one of you that have held out to see what this is, it's going to blow you away. Residual bonus is like the baby brother to the check match. It's only going to complement what they're already doing with that number 4. All right. You got the 6th way that we earn, which is rank achievement bonuses. Guys, just imagine, for simply sharing and people sharing and your team being built, NovaTech is going to literally pay out almost an additional $200,000 of instant bonuses, guys, every single Saturday for you sharing this with the people that you decide to share with. And last but not least, the rank-based profit share, guys. Raise your hand if you're someone that would love to see a quarterly check come in every single 3 months, right? from Tesla or Apple or Google or Apple Pay. I mean, I'm not saying Apple Pay, but Amazon, whatever it may be, ladies and gentlemen, all of these billion-dollar companies, when they start to pay out every quarter, just because you own their stock, they're going to pay you a dividends. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for being a leader in NovaTech, they want to give you a piece of the pie as well. So with that being said, let's go to the first way that we earn direct referral bonuses. I'm not going to spend very much time on it. Guys, just take a look at this for a second. All right. And I love throwing this out here because we are truly about people before profits. See, most companies like network marketing companies always focus on profits. Why? Because everybody wants to know, how much can I make on people? If I'm going to share this, I want to make sure I can make a lot of money up front. Why? Because most people don't stick to those programs because that never was their destiny to sell a product that they really don't believe in, right? They're trying to make money. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see right here makes it very simple. NovaTech is not here to entice you to bring people in to make money up front. What they're saying is, we're going to pay you a very quick one-time bonus as a thank you for having people make a deposit into their account. All right. Number two, we have the indirect referral bonus. It works the same exact way, ladies and gentlemen. All right. The indirect referral bonuses, as we're going to see right now that pops up on the screen, is going to be even a smaller number than the 10, 50, 125, 5,000 that you see here. And if you can pull that indirect bonus slide up, awesome. All right. 50 cents, 250, 625, 1250, 250, $100. Guys, this doesn't look like a lot of money. I'm here to tell you, I did a live presentation today, okay, where I'm at with a group of people, a group of investors, and they were blown away by how the duplication happens organically. And ladies and gentlemen, it looks like pennies. It ends up being thousands upon thousands of dollars each and every week. Let's move on to our fast track bonus, ladies and gentlemen. Just like running track, the person that gets off the fastest in a sprint is the one that usually is going to win. Guys, in your first 45 days, all right, all you need to do is share this with 3 people that come in at the bronze level, and NovaTech is going to throw $100 your way. If you bring in 3 people at the silver level, they're going to throw an additional $500 your way. So $600 in your first 45 days. And I know some of you are sitting back like, really? That's not a lot of money, Dap. Well, let me put it this way. If you take that $600 and you put it in that calculator that Marsha showed you in the beginning of this call, ladies and gentlemen, in just 2 to 3 years, you're talking about tens of thousands of dollars just for having that $600 grow and compound in your trading account. Now let's move to the creme de la creme. We are talking about the check match bonus, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I've already said this. Raise your hand if you would love to duplicate what I've done in just 10 months. How many people would love to see $15,000 to $20,000 every single week coming into their wallet that they can definitely cash out? Well, I'm here to tell you, it is not something that you can't do. Why? Here's why. I don't even market on social media, ladies and gentlemen. Everything I do is a word of mouth. I don't do meetings. I don't have people come to my house. I just share with the group of people that I've already known for years. Why? Every last one of them are looking for a way to have their money work for them. And guess what? If your money's not sitting in a bank doing anything, then guess what? It's sitting under your couch or under your pillow doing nothing. So you might as well take a portion of that and let NovaTech manage it for you. And in doing that, ladies and gentlemen, your first level, every person that you bring in, you're going to get a 5% check match. It doesn't matter how much NovaTech makes them during that week. They're going to match you 5%, ladies and gentlemen. On the second level, it will be 2%. On the third, fourth, and fifth level, 1%, the 6th and 7th level, 0.5%, and the 8th and 9th level, 0.25%. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, just like I showed in the presentation today, I have over 9,000 people that I'm earning a piece of the pie on every single week. And guess what? I only brought in like 110 people. All right. And I know you think that's a lot, but when they're not having to do anything, ladies and gentlemen, and they're just depositing their money, that's actually not a lot of people. All right. Just imagine right now, if you were to have a birthday party and you were offering free drinks and free food, imagine how many people would show up at your house. It's no different, ladies and gentlemen. The only difference is you're going to help them you're going to help them take their money and make money for them. With that being said, let's move to our residual matching, guys. This is the baby brother to the actual check match. It's real simple. That $25, right? That every single member that has $24,999 in their account or less, right, will end up paying the $25 maintenance fee. NovaTech says we're going to give you a check match. Literally, it's a residual income lifetime bonus from the first level, the 5%ers, all the way to the 9th level, 0.25%. Again, it's the cherry on top check match, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move to the next one, which is really, really awesome, guys, because I've been able to experience this. Obviously, our co-founders have been able to experience this, and hundreds of our members. Instant cash bonuses paid immediately. What does that look like? Guys, from $100 to $100,000 one-time bonuses for hitting these platinum, junior, executive, senior, junior director, director, senior. We're about to have our first one-star ambassador. I know it's about to happen this month for our amazing co-founders, and we can't wait because we're speaking it into existence. Why? Because we are building our Team Diamond community, and we're just pushing our leaders forward so that they continue to pave the roads so that we can just slip right on by, ladies and gentlemen. So congratulations to each and every one of you that are on this call that are not new, that happen to be platinum all the way down to the senior director level, guys. And then last but not least, after the rank, the base, we're talking about the profit share here. The profit share is real simple. The company says we're going to take 10% of all of our earnings, okay, quarterly net profits, and we're going to spread it out amongst our ambassadors, directors, and senior executives. Again, if that doesn't make you say, hey, I got to really get on this, then I'm not sure what's going to, guys. And with that being said, these are the 7 additional ways that you can get paid while allowing NovaTech to still do what they do with the deposit that you make into your trading account. Earning disclaimers, guys, it's real simple. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, guys. Trading cryptocurrency, virtual currency, crypto assets, altcoins, Forex, stocks, options, all of those things come with the level of risk that you need to be comfortable with. So just make sure that you are depositing money that you can afford to part with. Don't take money that you got to pay your mortgage with, or your car with, or you got to feed your children. Utilize the money that you're going to spend anyway on things that you are not expecting anything back in financial return, and you will see how that will work for you with the NovaTech. And with that being said, guys, your future freedom and dreams start right now. So dream big. All right, guys, get back with that person that shared this with you. My name is Dap Dunbar. I want to thank you so much for being here. And I'm going to throw this right back over to our amazing co-founder, if I'm correct, Miss Corey J. I think Miss Marcia had some things that she had to do. Corey J., we are so excited for what it is that we're doing here at Team Diamond. We're so excited for yourself, for Marcia, and for all of the leaders. And I just thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this amazing family. And we're just going to keep this thing rolling. So with that being said, my name is Dap, and I'm going to sign off. Thank you, guys.
All right. God bless you. God bless you, Young King. Amazing presentation. We appreciate you so much. Marcia, incredible job on the beginning of the presentation. You and Dap, you guys are just a tremendous tag team. Thank you for everything that it is that you all do. I tell you what, Team Diamond would not be what it is without the two of you. And we just appreciate you so much for both your dedication, your commitment, you know, and what it is that you bring to the team, as well as to our guests. So guests, we are really excited for each and every one of you. I tell you what, we've got something here very special. You heard it from the presenters, you know what I mean? And I tell you, they really laid it out passionately. Why? Because they're experiencing it, and they want to transfer that to you so that you too can experience it. Because I tell you what, family, we are being blessed incredibly. Week after week after week after week. Every single investor gets paid here every single week. and has done so for the last 37 months. Every single week. No one has lost a dime. So we want to bring you into the fold. We appreciate each and every one of you for taking time out this evening. Be sure and get back to the person that shared this information with you. Get started tonight, right? Get started tonight. Don't wait until tomorrow. Get started tonight. As you saw, that calculator has a compounding effect, and compounding is experienced over time. So every day counts. And I tell you what, we're excited for each and every one of you. We cannot wait to work with each and every one of you and affect change in you and your family's lives for many generations to come. We'll be back here on Wednesday at 1. We'll be back here, same place. On Wednesday evening, we'll be here at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On Thursday, we'll be back at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Saturday, we'll be here at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with incredible, incredible presenters. I tell y'all, we got the best presenters on the planet. I mean, I know I'm a little biased, but anyway, I believe it's really the truth. So come back. Don't come back alone. Bring some folk with you. Let's change the way that folk are living. We can do it with NovaTech. All right. We love y'all. We appreciate you so much for staying and hanging in here with us for, gee whiz, almost an hour and a half. But I tell you what, it's been well worth it, hadn't it? All right, y'all. Have a wonderful evening. God bless you. We will see you on Wednesday at 1. All right. Have a wonderful evening. Good night, all.